School's almost back in session, and what better way to celebrate entering a new class than by achieving a fabulous glow up? In this video, I'll be sharing a comprehensive guide on how you can transform yourself over the summer and blow the minds of all your schoolmates. First, skincare. The first step in achieving a glow up is healthy and glowing skin. In order to get this, you need a consistent skincare routine. A lot of influencers would have you believe that you need to spend several hundreds of dollars on rows after rows of serums and masks, but that's simply not true. There are only 3 things necessary in any skincare routine, and that's cleansing, moisturizing, and protection. Basically, to get clean skin, all you need is a simple face cleanser, moisturizing face lotion, and sunscreen. Even if you can't afford the ultra-expensive face washes that all the celebrities seem to be using, a gentle bar soap works just as well for getting rid of dirt and excessive oils. Just make sure that you only use it for your face and not your body as well, so you don't transfer bacteria to your face and risk getting breakouts. You should wash your face twice a day, when you wake up and before you go to bed, and apply the face cream afterwards. Then, apply SPF 50 sunscreen all over your body, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about hair care. Pretty hair gives you a pretty face, so it's important that you have your hair looking its best at all times to improve your appearance. This involves keeping your hair clean, getting a good hairstyle, and accessorizing if your school allows it. If you have straight hair, wash and condition it twice a week to prevent it from getting greasy, and if you have curly or kinky hair, wash it only once a week so you don't dry it out. There are lots of different hairstyles you can try out depending on your hair type. Pinterest is full of different ways to style both straight and kinky hair, and if your school allows it, you can get different colored hair or braids. You can make your hair look even more fabulous by adding in accessories like hairpins, hairbands, or hair scrunchies. I'll leave a link in the description on how you can make your own hair scrunchies at home so you don't have to spend too much money. Some schools don't allow hair accessories, though, so make sure to check if your school does to avoid getting embarrassed by a teacher. Next up on the glow up checklist is Lipcare. There are only 2 steps required to get soft and plump-looking lips, and that's exfoliation and moisturizing. You can make your own lip scrub at home using olive oil and sugar, and use it twice a week for best results. Then, use a lip balm every day to keep your lips soft. If you can't afford to get some fancy lip balm from the makeup store, you can simply use Vaseline. If you're enjoying these tips so far, make sure to hit the like button so I know the video was interesting. Thanks! Now on to Nailcare. You might think it's not important, but after hair and lips, nails are the first thing a person sees when they look at you. Smooth and neatly trimmed nails help you look clean and put together. Try not to bite your nails so they can grow longer, and file them neatly to keep them round. If your school allows it, you can use colored nail polish for an extra pretty touch, but if not, you can use transparent nail polish instead. Now, let's talk about your outfits. In school, your daily outfits include either your school uniform and shoes, or the clothes you wear to classes every day along with footwear. If you wear a school uniform, make sure it's washed and well ironed the night before school. If you wear leather shoes, use shoe polish to make them brighter, and avoid walking in dusty areas during school so it stays clean. If your school allows you to wear casual clothes, pick cute outfit combos that are pretty but still feel comfortable, such as plaid skirts, jeans, and checkered sweater vests, and choose well-fitting sneakers, sandals, or boots for shoes. Plan out your outfits the night before school so you don't run late trying to figure out what to wear in the morning. If you're enjoying the video so far and you want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe. I post aesthetic tip videos every Friday, and I'm sure you'll love them. Now, let's go on to the last step in getting ready to crush the new term. Remember, you're going to school, not a fashion show, so it's important that you glow up academically, too. Make sure your school bag is arranged with all the things you'll need for the first day of school. If you have summer assignments, make sure they're all done. You can also check out what school books you'll have to read in the new year from the library and start studying them to get ahead of your schoolmates. And there you have it, a complete guide to glowing up before school starts. Follow these tips, and you'll be all set for a new session of book smarts and gorgeousness. I hope everyone has a fantastic new term. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.